In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a newsletter in Hubspot as part of an email marketing campaign. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, this step-by-step guide will simplify the process and set you up for success with your email marketing efforts. Let's dive right in. First and foremost, head over to the Hubspot website, a leading platform offering a comprehensive suite of software and tools tailored to enhance your business. Once you're on their homepage, locate and click on the Login button. Accessing your account is the first step to tapping into HubSpot's powerful marketing functionalities. After logging in, you'll be directed to the HubSpot home. Here, HubSpot offers a breadth of functionality, each designed to streamline your operations effectively. Navigate to the Marketing tab. This section is essential as it's the central hub for all your promotional activities. Next, click on Email. The email section of HubSpot is where the magic of crafting and managing your newsletters happens. This interface provides you with all the tools you need to create visually appealing and impactful newsletters designed to engage your audience effectively. Now, let's prepare our settings to tailor the newsletter experience to your specific audience. Click on Settings within the Email tab. Ensuring your settings are correctly configured is critical as it will impact how your emails are sent and received. Within Settings, direct yourself to Subscription Types. This section is vital because it allows you to categorize your email recipients based on the type of content they prefer to receive. Classifying your audience in this way not only increases engagement but also ensures compliance with email subscription rules and regulations. To create a new category of newsletter content, click on Create Subscription Type. It's here that you can define what type of newsletter you're offering and what makes it unique. Name your subscription type something descriptive that will resonate with your audience, perhaps reflecting the main theme or focus of the newsletter. Finally, after you've filled in the necessary details and refined your subscription type settings, you can go ahead and click on Create. This final step puts all the pieces together, officially adding a new newsletter category to your HubSpot marketing automation. With these steps, you're well on your way to setting up a robust and engaging email marketing campaign through HubSpot. Remember, the key to an effective newsletter is consistency, relevance, and value. By following this guide, you're not just sending out emails, you're creating an experience that keeps your audience coming back for more. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful as you embark on your next email marketing venture.